Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to withdraw your Sweatcoin money in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your phone and log in into your account. Then tap on the Marketplace or Offers section. Look for Cash Out option, PayPal offers, or crypto withdrawals. If there's a PayPal or bank transfer offer, select it and follow the instructions. For crypto withdrawals, link your crypto wallet and confirm the transaction. Once you've chosen your method, redeem your Sweatcoins and complete any required steps. Then wait for the processing time. This can take a few hours or days, depending on the offer. Once approved, your money will be sent to your PayPal, bank, or crypto wallet. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Sweatcoin money. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.